Okay, Pekka. Um, Stop that heroes burn down chart. This is what I was doing when I was really trying to keep agile scheduling and well, it wasn't terribly successful, partly because I would estimate my work for the week and then not, more often than not actually get that work done. So this is a chart that represents the project. So starting in October for the October challenge, there was no work added or removed, and the backlog was 75 points. Like your system, it's just an arbitrary number where I estimate how difficult something is. I used the Fibonacci sequence, and I think I've described this more on a blog post that I've written. But anyways, so the backlog started at 75 points worth of work, and if we look up here, for the first week I got 3 points done, I had 7 points finished, but I added 3 more points, so that's a total of 4 points. I'm over here now. 4 points that I did. I don't even know if you can read this, so maybe this isn't useful. I estimated that I would complete 10 points each iteration. So for the first week, I completed 7, but added 3, so that's a net of 4, which, I was woefully behind already. And then the next week, I actually did get 10 points done, but I added 2. I finished 13, but I added 3. So I never hit 10 points, it looks like. I'm looking at the numbers now. There was a good week where I had 15 points worth done and only added 3. But that's the thing, like I've mentioned this before in other places, my technical requirements, I did not do a good job of estimating what that was going to be like. And so, I had a thing on my list saying add this item, and I thought it was specific enough, but then as soon as I tried to implement it, I realized there was all the supporting technical stuff that I had to put in, and it ended up taking a lot more time. So anyways, as you can see on this chart, the red line indicates work that has been added or removed, and it goes down because I have been consistently adding to the work. The backlog also went up, reflecting that. This blue line showed me how I was doing in terms of getting that backlog burnt down. And what should happen is that these lines should actually come closer together as the project gets closer to finish. I've stopped using this system sometime at the end of February because I thought, okay, you know what, I just need to stop worrying about this scheduling because it's just frustrating me. I just need to get the game done as fast as possible. And so this didn't quite work out as well as it should have, but I don't think it was the method of scheduling so much as what I was aware of in terms of the project complexity and everything. So I'm sure this would be useful, especially if you had a team. I think it would be useful if I had a very accurate idea of what I was working on before I started, but that is how I scheduled things. And